How do you know?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Pretty cool.
Oh, I just got it. No, the bubble. Wait, I want to do the bubble. Sorry.
Wow. Magical.
Yeah, so when you start the vehicle, it does a startup, and then you can change modes. If you go into like a track mode or something like that, it'll get louder, and you can actually rev the vehicle.
So that's cheating, maybe.
Yeah, I guess so.
But is it quick?
Oh yeah, very. It's instant torque. It's instant torque, right? Because it's an electric vehicle and 670 horsepower.
Oh. Guess the battery is underneath.
Made it with the instant torque. It just throws you to
Stage 2. I think you can. I think you can. I think.
It's kind of cool to see. It's all-wheel drive, right?
Yeah. What?
Like a sugar daddy meme.
Ask your mom.